Israel has not only survived but enriched the world. Israeli innovations power the devices we carry, irrigate the crops we harvest, and heal the patients we treat. In times of disaster, Israel sends aid. In times of crisis, Israel opens its hospitals. Even as we face down the evil of terror, we extend our hand in peace. This is the essence of who we are, a people who turn adversity into opportunity, suffering into strength, and isolation into unity. We are proud, we are free, we are home. From the front lines to the halls of the United Nations, the state of Israel stands tall, and we are here to stay. Am Israel Chai.